Hello, it's Ryan here from Porsche Centre Kendal. Today we're going to show you a short video on how to activate your My Porsche services, and for you people lucky enough to have a new shape Cayenne, on how to activate your tracker system. First of all, you will receive this email from My Porsche when your car has either arrived at the dealership, on its way from the factory, or we have notified Porsche that you've bought a vehicle that is currently in stock with us. Once you've received this email, you need to follow the following steps to activate the account. This will allow you to use data services such as Google Earth, applications like weather, train times, news, etc. So as you can see here, I've received the email. I click on the link in the email that says activate my account. Once you come to the activation screen, which will open in your browser, it will display the last 4 digits of your mobile number. This is pulling the information we hold here at Porsche Kendal. So if the number is coming up and you do not recognise the last 4 digits, you need to contact your Porsche Centre to allow them to edit it so this will work. Once you've confirmed that that is your mobile number, you request the activation code. You will then receive a 5-digit PIN text to your mobile phone number. For this case, ours has come up 79455. You then enter it on your web browser, and it asks you to create a password. Notice on the right hand side the password requirements. It has to have a minimum of 8 characters, a number, an uppercase, lowercase and a special character. Once you've entered your password twice and they match, it will allow you to go to the next step of activation. Here now it will show you all the details we hold on file with you. Notice date of birth isn't in there. That can be edited later at any point. You need to agree to the terms and conditions, Porsche's data privacy statement, and also that you consent for your data to be transferred to the Porsche dealer. Then you click Create Account. Once you've clicked Create Account, it will come straight up with asking you whether you want to activate your Connect services, which you do. So you need to click down at the bottom where it says Continue to Activation. This will bring you through to the following screen. Here it will show you the order that you are placing. So on a Cayenne, for example, it shows you that you get 10 years of breakdown calls for free, a navigation and infotainment system data for the sat-nav for 2 years for free, and also 1 year of car remote packages such as viewing where your car is anywhere in the world through the My Porsche app on your phone. Once you've accepted and the terms and conditions and the data privacy statement, you can activate that. It will then come through to here, which just summarises your order, again showing there's no charge for this at this point. Now that's activated, all your services will work apart from your tracker. Now if you wish to use the tracker, people who have got anything other than a current shape Cayenne will need to use a separate system called Porsche Car Connect, which the sales executive will go through with you. In this case, we're going to show you how to activate the current Cayenne. So in here, you go into your services that you currently have available. You need to scroll down to where it says Car Security Packages, which you can be selected from the grid. Once you've clicked on this, it will bring you through and give you a summary of the cost of activating the tracker per year. Now there is a box here that is automatically ticked to automatically extend your contract year by year. If you plan to only have the tracker for the first year of ownership, you want to deselect that so it doesn't automatically renew afterwards. You then click onto the Express Purchase screen, which will take you through to the car details. Once you've entered those and paid, you then need to let your Porsche Centre know that you have paid and activated your tracker so that the car can be ready for that before collection. This should be everything, but if you've got any further questions, feel free to ask any of the guys in sales at Porsche Centre Kendal.